Setting up signature in Gmail is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now what I'd like you to do first is log into your Gmail account, and the next thing I want you to do is go to settings, go to CL settings. Under the general tab in settings, we're going to scroll down until we see signature. Now I'm going to assume that you have no signature, so I'm going to delete my signatures that I have already. And this is how it's going to appear to create a new signature, and you create a new signature. Now this, what you need to do first is create a label for the signature. So we're going to put default here, and we're going to click on create. Now this default will be the default signature that we're going to use. You can write any signature that you want, and usually it goes with this format. You write the name of the company, the number, or where how to reach the particular sender, or the name of the sender, and then you write a position. And then once you go down and you come to signature defaults, you can choose to use for new emails or on reply. So this particular signature is going to be used. If you choose this for new emails, anytime we send an email, it's going to insert this signature into that mail, or we can just use it for only replies. But I'm going to show you how to do that for emails. And once we scroll down, you're going to click on save. And by default, once we do this, it should have this. Any message you send should have this as a signature every time you send a message. And that's how you set up signature in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.